original optional seats actually had a kind of like Alcantara suede covering, so those are really, really rare.
Okay guys, so we have the seat all mounted in, very secure. Let's do a quick shake. As you can see, everything is sturdy. Overall, the Civic is looking good, but let's go for a drive and see how the seat performs. Okay guys, so I'm in this area where there's a lot of circles. I think it's probably going to be best for me to try to showcase how well the seat works. Basically using these circles, you know, to simulate, how can I say, the track or bends, etc. So I'm just going to set up the camera and, you know, set up the harness and then maybe just show you guys a little bit of, you know, how well the seat works. Obviously I can't, you know, max it out because this is, you know, rural area type of a thing, but just to show you guys a little bit of how the seat actually works.
Cause you know what to do with that big fat butt.
She can be good at.
Okay guys, I hope you can see me good. Let's set up the harness. This should be set up for previously how I liked it from the EG. Pretty good.
She can be good at.
So like I said, this is obviously a rural area, so I'm not gonna really, you know, rip it hectically. But it's just basically to show you guys a few bends, and then maybe we can go on a bigger straight, show you guys how it performs there as well. Okay, overall, I feel like that was actually a very good test. I mean, the best test will most likely be on the track. But let's just go around here quickly. It's a Sunday morning, so be in mind, guys, that obviously it's a little bit more quieter than normal. We wouldn't be doing this like while it's extremely busy. Damn it, 2 speed bumps. Yo guys, so as you can hear in this video, the audio is extremely terrible and I do want to apologize for that. To my understanding, that rattle noise that you hear is coming from the phone mount that I use. I only found out afterwards that most of the audio was terrible because of the rattling. So I was actually not going to post this video. However, there is a few cool parts of this video that I really wanted to showcase. One of the things is I randomly came across a FK8 type R and we actually gauge against each other and I get destroyed. So please stay tuned till later in this video to see how I get annihilated. Shifter has like a lockout, like I can't put it in normal, I have to heat it. If you see that, that's most likely the reason why. Also guys, these flats you see here behind is all mainly student accommodation and the students have actually all left. So this area is all, you know, pretty much quiet, empty.
What?
Like all the cars I've ever owned, never really, you know, handle the speed bumps that well. I have to go very slow. And I think it's because of the tires that's on the car. Obviously the way the easy coilover is set up. But anyway, we're gonna go through a little bit of the straights now. Only me revving to like 7,000 RPM. I've actually started getting out of the hand of this car and like revving it like beyond 9 whatever, I don't know. It shows there's no 9 on here, so I can't really say. But I've been getting out of hand and I need to actually tame myself. I nearly saw that, like I was hitting, I think it was third, and it will like still jump to the front.
Why you give that? I go to the back the whole time. Oh, that's lekker.
Blow you guys guys, ears out. It is kind of hot today. I'm really loving the seat. It's insane. I feel like the car is coming together right now. I do need to do something with the steering wheel. I'm not sure. Look how cool this is, guys. Quick release. Perfect. Everything comes loose. So yeah, like I was also saying, guys, I need to make a plan with the steering wheel setup, especially now with the whole harness situation and the whole roll cage. It's actually very difficult for me to get in this car. Not as difficult, but it will be much better. Let's say, for example, I had a quick release, or maybe a steering wheel that maybe just flips up. That is something that I plan on doing in future. I'm also very two-minded about what to do with the steering wheel. Should I modify the steering wheel and make it look a little bit better? Should I use the S1000 steering wheel? Please let me know. Guys, let's go! Yo, bruh, this thing is on. I thought this car was fast, but this thing insane, yo. Away. It's good, bruh. It's good. Away. I was actually gonna come speak to you guys. I have a few things that I need to sort out.
Okay guys, so this is where the rattling got extremely bad. So myself and Zia just had a quick conversation. He obviously asked me what management I'm running, etc. And then I did explain to him a few things that AJ did that you guys have already seen, like fitting the fan and wiring up the heat gauge, and obviously the cold air induction, as well as the stock EP3 throttle body. I also told Zia that his car is extremely fast, but that can be expected from what I assume is a FK8 that has more than 300 kilowatts.
I want all the power. I want all the power. The money in the Dallas. The Dodgers in the Alice.
How are you, bro? How is that?
So as you guys can hear, the audio got even more worse. So in this section of the video, I'm just pretty much telling you guys how random it was for me to get Zia after obviously stopping along the road to change the camera angle, and we obviously gauge against each other. What I also said was how insane it was for him to give me a head start and still be able to annihilate me. But yeah, that was a pretty cool race. This was actually my first race with the K swap since I owned it. Bear in mind, this is obviously 2023. And then on the topic of the FK8, I let you guys know that that car, as well as the FK2, more the FK2, was something that I have actually been considering before buying the Civic, because if I sold the S2000 and used the money for the Civic, I could possibly have bought me a FK2, which is a car that I actually have been considering, because the S2000 is extremely impractical, as well as the Civic. However, I do have a Yaris, and that is pretty much why I still own the Civic as well as the S2000. And then I end off the video by asking you guys what you guys think of the Ricardo seat that I just fitted, as well as what you guys think of the race, as well as what you guys think I should do to the Civic moving forward. Should I make it faster, etc. And then I do thank you guys for supporting me, because without you guys I would not be able to own the Civic or make these videos or this content for you guys. And then I end off the video by obviously asking you guys to like and subscribe, the whole YouTube thing, blah blah blah. However, the video does not end here, so please stay tuned.
I'm the end of the video, yeah? Peace. Guys, I'm actually on my way to my mom, but now I'm driving on this gravel road. So this is the Civic's first gravel road. Let me just show you guys. This car is definitely not happy with like gravel roads and like small bumps in the road. But like on the highway or any smooth road, it feels perfect. So it's actually crazy, like each car has like a different, it's like different in a way. Like the S2000 handles this a little bit better, but then in some occasions this car is better than the S2000.